Gangror kujela kure ke ka je ram kapimi pini ya lira te je kamera jara lo ke jinin chwal ke ke gangror a lo ke cholrot. See this bird, they keep calling themselves and they now growing in number. We call them gangror in Dinka, but really don't know what they are called in English. They might not be common in places like US or Europe. So now I'm enjoying taking the videos and the pictures to be able to share with my friends back in the US. Gangror on the ground feeding on some food left over. These birds are a bit comparing to the other small bird on the other side. Those are doves that people kept. Here was in, yeah, you see they flying and they are very tiny comparing to these black bird with white necks. You see this noise they make, I kind of enjoy that they make the sound and more birds come over. They are very friendly bird, but when it comes to foods, they start fighting over it. I think that's very common, even human does, especially in places where there's so much corruption, people fight over power. And technically, power is source of food, so that kind of comparison go together. Gangror. While here in Nairus, I try to make sure I take video or pictures of some unique birds or animals. I took some videos of cattle, different birds, things that I could, look back on later in the near future. And now that there's only one gangror left over here, the other one flying around, it's already about 3 minutes. There's another bird on the side here making sound, but I think they didn't find enough food on the floor, so they fly to the top of fencings, and I'm now walking toward them. They might fly away because they get a little bit scared. Oh yeah, one flee on the other one did. There's one there on the top, and there's another one here on the ground. They're mainly looking for foods. I also took some videos early in the morning. See, those doves are flying away from these black birds because they are way bigger than them and they can fight them. There are four gangror on the top of the fencings, just waiting to eat something that they can see. This one is almost 4 minutes and 20 something seconds, so I'm gonna just cut it from there. This is NGUOR-MEDIA. Thank you guys for watching. There will be more videos coming on your ways.